What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. So maraming nag-request sa akin na mag-react daw ako sa bagong music video and kanta ni Maymay, Entrata na Paradise. So this is the official music video. This was out a few days ago, maybe last week ata or last weekend. If you guys are new here, please do subscribe and you can follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Pwede din kayo mag-request ng other videos from other artists na gusto nyong gawan ko ng reaction video. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And shoutout sa lahat ng mga Cagayanon dyan, ng mga kababayan ni Maymay Entrata. Suportahan natin itong si Maymay. Let's go! Habang tumatagal si Maymay gumaganda, no? Mas lalong gumaganda. Agree ba kayo?
Baby, I was staying up late thinking I'm crazy.
Ooh.
Trying to find the blue sky in you, but maybe all the love that we had isn't worth saving. For so long I've been holding on to someone that says deep down I'm broken.
The vibe is very international. Kung di mo kilala si Maymay and this is going to be your first time, no, wala ka talagang idea sa kantang to and the artist, hindi mo masasabing ito ay from a Filipino singer or Filipino artist.
On someone that's got my heart wide open. I know you thought that I'd forget every tear I cried. Gave you for all my life. So what does it feel like?
Ooh.
Getting ripped out of paradise. And all of the things you said screaming inside your head when you could have loved me right.
Ooh, nice transition. You know what? It gives a quite parang Taylor Swift. Na merong Taylor Swift sa vibe ng kantang to. And what I love about this is may mga pa-dance, din siya, dance break baga or dance part baga na naipakita din yung talento niya sa pagsayaw. And yung kultura ng Filipino, may sari-sari store, KTV, naipakita din. That's a good point. Parang asap to na part, oh.
Watching all our memories fade into the distance. It's killing me, yeah. Cause I really wanted to believe in the dream of you, but it's never coming true, yeah. Yeah, I know you thought that I'd forget every tear I cried, but gave you for all my life. So what does it feel like? Getting ripped out of paradise.
I'm just amazed kung gaano ito ka internationally influenced, no? Alam naman natin that OPM is really evolving, no? Dahil nasa na tayo, social media age, and madali na lang ma-influence sa iba't ibang klase ng musika from different kinds of artists as well. And but this one is really hindi ako I'm not ready for this. Galing. Getting ripped out of paradise. Oh, ahas. Story ata to ng babaeng inahas, ganun. Or trinaydor, tas she's up for revenge or something like that. All right. Okay. I think I've already said the things that I really wanted to. It was very international vibe and heavily influenced sa iba't ibang artist. Especially, I can hear like a Taylor Swift or Miley Cyrus na tone, no? Especially sa pagmix sa kanyang vocals dito. The storytelling was quite fast, pero it can't be helped kasi nga ano naman, hindi naman siya mahabang kanta. So it was quite fast, but it was also clear, naiintindihan naman, and the Filipino culture naman ay naipakita din dito sa video na to. And pansin ko rin na maraming involved na mga AFAM sa casting. Overall, it's a good song and good music video. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the One Piece out, everybody. Much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.